Okay, welcome to this section. You all are welcome. If you can hear me, press 1, and if you can see my screen, press 2. Okay, I'm just doing this Zoom section in my room. Okay, some people are coming in. Okay, you're welcome to this section. I'm Kennedy, the guy you've been longing to see. So I'm just doing this in my room. I'm not in my office. Okay, let me share my screen.
Fala aí, Ian, beleza?
Okay.
Hi, Kennedy.
Yeah, how are you? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, good to have you. Okay.
Hello.
So hope you all can see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen clearly.
Okay,
Yes,
very
I'm
good.
seeing.
Okay, so we'll be starting now.
Well,
We'll be starting. Okay. Let me take you on for what I have for you today. You're welcome to this section. This is part of my Zoom section for my mentorship class. Okay, let me share with you. A second. Okay, so hope you all can see this.
yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. So you all are welcome. The theme of this, my mentorship, is called Becoming a Profitable Trader. So because in this market and in this business, the statistics keep on going up every day, that high percentage of traders have been losing their money in the market. So about 87% of traders lost their money in this market almost every day and every year. So in my short journey, I found out that there are hidden facts. There are hidden facts to becoming a profitable Forex or binary trader. So I'm going to be sharing with you, majorly in this my mentorship, the things I've been able to discover, some insider secrets to trading this market profitably. Okay? Okay, so here we are. I'll be taking you on the interbank price delivery algorithm. Okay, I don't know, some of you will not be conversant with these my terms, but these are the kind of things that move this market. So the interbank price delivery algorithm is just the way price is being delivered every day in the market. So in this market, things move this market, and what moves this market is what they call money and liquidity. So this interbank price delivery algorithm is the way price is being delivered every day on every time frame. If you go to your 1 hour chart, your 1 minute chart, your 2 hours chart, price is being delivered with this algorithm every day. It doesn't change. So once you know this secret, you can be able to trade this market profitably without emotions, without losses, and without fear and greed. Okay, this is the way I trade. With this price delivery algorithm, you can know what to do per time in the market. You can know where the market direction is going. You can know the next market direction. So you don't need to start speculating. When you see green candle, you bother if it's going up, if it's going down. No, you don't trade like that. With this interbank price delivery algorithm, this is how the banks, the hedge funds, the financial institutions, this is how they deliver price, because they are the ones that own this market. This is the market maker strategy. This is how they move the market every day. Okay, so I'll be taking you on this. And so these are what forms elements of a trade setup. So element of a trade setup, the first thing we have is expansion under this interbank price delivery algorithm. So expansion is when price moves quickly from a level of equilibrium. I will explain all this to you, but I just want you to know the meaning of the terms I'm using. So expansion is when price moves quickly from a level. When we go to the chart, I'll show you what the expansion means. So, and the next stage is what they call retracement. So retracement is when price moves back inside a recently created price range. So most of the time, when market expands, the next thing you see is to retrace. So this is the price delivery algorithm that the market makers, they use to deliver price every day. And next one, it's called reversal. So what's the meaning of reversal? Reversal is when price moves the opposite direction that current direction has taken it. So we all know, I know most of you love trading reversal patterns. So this reversal, it's when price take another turn in the current direction. And then the fourth one, it's consolidation. So consolidation is when price moves inside a clear trading range and shows no willingness to move significantly higher or lower. So in the chart, you see when price has been just going back and forth. There's no clear trend there. So that's consolidation. And the secret about consolidation is that when you see price consolidating, it's building orders. Once you see price consolidating in the chart, it's building orders whereby it goes to the nearest level where enough money is. I will explain to you in the chart. Once you see price consolidating, what should be in your mind is expansion. So those consolidation period, the markets are building orders, both buyers and sellers, it's building orders. So anywhere it will expand to is where enough money or liquidity is. Okay? So this is the price delivery algorithm I just showed you. So every day in the market, price is being delivered with this algorithm. It starts from consolidation. Once the market opens, the market will be consolidating. From consolidation, it goes into expansion. So the market will now expand, make some impulse movement in price. They call it impulse move, impulse price leg. So when the market expands, from there, it's either it retraces or it consolidates. So which way of these two the market will go? So if the market should consolidate, it might reverse. So once it reverses, the next thing is to consolidate or expand or retrace. So this is the price delivery algorithm. The banks, the hedge funds, the market makers, this is what they use to drive price. Okay, so let me show you that in the chart now. So I hope you all can see my chart.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
Now,
I can see.
okay, so let me show you. Observe now, in this clear training range, from this level, you can see market was consolidating at this level. Is that true? You can see this is a consolidation. There was no clear trend here. And this is a bullish flag pattern. So you can see after this consolidation, some of you might think that the market wants to start, trending lower. Okay. So once you see this kind of movement, when this bearish movement just occurred, what it did was to clear out this low. Okay, one of the things I want you to know in this my mentorship is that forget what you know in the market. I know some of you can predict the market, you can predict the next candle, but I will advise you just forget what you know and focus on me because I know what you've been looking for. So this, after this consolidation in price, the market came back and take out this low. So what it does is just sweeping out liquidity. So the next thing you see was what? Expansion. Is that true? Is that true? Can I hear you?
Okay.
Yeah, you can see after this consolidation, price expanded higher. So from this expansion, we saw another consolidation.
It happened because the price broke like a flag before.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, it's a flag. It's a pattern.
1 minute. Let me show you something.
This is a pattern. In the market.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now you can see here the price after this expansion stage, price went into consolidation. Is that true? So after this consolidation, what was the next thing in our price delivery algorithm? Price retrace, right? You can see this was a retracement. So when you're trading, once you open the chart, what you need to ask yourself is, where is the price? What stage or level is the price currently? So with this price delivery algorithm, I've told you that it starts by consolidation. You can see it here. You can see it here. It starts by consolidation. You can see consolidation in this range. Okay, price have been consolidating, building orders. You can see it was building orders here. It was building orders. And from this equilibrium point of this consolidation, this is the midpoint of this consolidation. The market expanded lower. Can you see it now? So after this expansion, the next stage, what market did? It retraced. Is that true? From retrace, it expanded again. You can see it. And from this expansion, it consolidated again. You can see from this expansion, let me make it clear. From this expansion, you can see strong movement, the market consolidated. From here now, it came back down to this consolidated area and expanded again. So this is how price is being delivered every day. Okay, so now I've shown you how markets.
You mean like the price always moving this way, expansion, and
Yes.
after expansion retracement, consolidation,
yes,
and reversal.
Yes. So
It's
that's
like
very
it's like
good.
a cycle.
Yes, that's how the market moves every day. So once you open your chart, you need to, what you need to ask yourself, you need to spot the stage the market is currently at that point. Forget what they tell you, this is a minor trend, this is a major trend. All those are just beginners, all those are intermediate. So how I predict the next market direction is with this market delivery algorithm. Once I come into the chart and I observe here, that this market is moving in this clear trading range. I know this is a double top, but that's not the main point.
Double top and an M pattern.
Yes. So, but this is not the main point that moves price. Okay, I'm giving you now the secret of the market makers, the banks and the institutional level. This is how they move price. This is just a little consolidation here. Okay, so after this consolidation, the market did what? The market expanded. Is that true?
Can I draw in our screen?
Kenny.
Can you hear me?
Can I draw in our screen?
You can draw on your screen.
Kenny.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
But
here is expansion.
Yes. This is the expansion stage. So once you see the expansion, you know that after the expansion, it's either it retrace or it consolidate. So after this expansion, you can see it's consolidated there and retrace. Are you getting it now? Okay, so let me just give you a quick rundown of.
Kenny, I have a question.
Okay, yeah, continue. Yeah, let me hear your question.
But when we know how the market will broke the consolidation?
Okay, when would you know that market will break the consolidation?
Yeah. When?
Okay, I told you.
How can know it?
How can you know? Okay, now once you see this market consolidating here, so if you just draw your lines to see how the market is consolidating, okay. So once you come into the market now, let me say you came in the market here. Let me say this was the current price. From here, you never knew what was happening, and the candle was forming. Then when the candle formed at this level, you observe that. So when the market was here, you thought that this would go lower, but you saw a higher option. So you wait. So you observe the market. You can see that it was forming weak candles, going back and forth in this range, right? So you wait, you observe. Now, this is what they call a pennant chart pattern. In chart patterns, this is what they call pennant. So you observe the market. Once it gets to this level now, you can see that it broke this level. You can see momentum candles here. So after these 3 momentum candles, you can go with a lower option here. Okay, this now will lead me to the strategy I'll give you. Let me just give. After this,
okay, I get it.
After these 3 momentum candles, then you know that the market is ready to expand. Is that true? So from this level now, you can place a lower option for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, you can place a lower option here and you win this trade. So this strategy, with this, you can even be profitable in this market. Let me show you. For those that are beginners that don't really know how to analyze markets, okay, let me just show you one easy strategy that you can be using with this price delivery algorithm. Let's say, let me look for a good chart. Okay, now you can see here, this a little consolidated area because there is no clear trend here. So you can see market was moving in this range. Okay, market was moving in this range, right? So after this back and forth movement of price, then you start seeing huge candle. This is the breakout candle, right? So after this breakout candle, you can place a 2 minutes expiry higher option. If, let me just, the strategy is that.
Kenny, I can't see any drawings in your chart.
Sorry? You said?
I can't see any drawings in your chart.
You can't see this drawing? You can't see this line?
Yeah, this trend line I can see it.
Okay, very good. So the strategy I'm telling you is that once you see after markets consolidate like this, and you see 3 good candles, 3 good momentum candles, you can go with a 2 minutes expiry lower option because that's the expansion of the market. This strategy is just about 70 to 80% winning ratio. It's for beginners that don't really know how to analyze the market. So I'm just giving you that once you see after a consolidated area, you can see this consolidation here. You can see how price consolidated at this level. Okay, this was the consolidation. Okay, let's take this one. Or you can take this one. After this consolidation at this range,
Kenny,
you can see
would be better if you draw IQ options tools in the chart, because when you draw the other tools, I can't see anything in your screen.
Sorry. Okay, now you can see the consolidated area here. Price consolidated at this range.
Yeah.
Okay. So after this consolidation at this area, you can see 1, 2, 3 strong candles. This is a signal that
three white soldiers.
Yeah, yes. You can call it three white soldiers, but these are momentum candles. These are showing you that the market wants to expand. So you can place a 2 minutes expiry here and you win the trade. And you just follow that expansion after a consolidation.
We need to take the trade after in the candle that break the level.
If that's a candle. But I'm telling you that, see, with time you get to understand the pattern very well. But I'm just telling you that once you see a 3 good bullish candle after this consolidation, or maybe after a 3 bearish candle after that consolidation, you know that the market wants to expand. Okay? Now, observe this market here. Let me just explain what happened here. After this movement, if you observe here, at this level, there is a strong rejection at this level. So when price came here, it couldn't close above this level. This is a signal that sellers cannot break this level. So you wait. Once you see a good bullish candle here, this is an engulfing pattern. So you can place a higher option here. If you place a higher option here with marginal safety, you can win this trade. But maybe you wanted to wait for a confirmation. After this strong bullish candle, you can place a higher option here. Easy win. And now you can continuously place a higher option here and you continuously winning because this is an expansion stage. So I observe some of you, if you observe this market reverse here at this level, I know some of you would have looked at this level and say, this is the real sellers area, the market will reverse, right? Some of you will say, when you're trading a higher option here, maybe your level is, you didn't know that market will reverse here. Your level is here, okay? Now, and you place, let's say you placed a higher option here because of this movement, and you lost this trade, sellers enter. What would you think? What would you think? What would you say why would you think you lost? You go and look for past history levels, if that was a level. Okay, now, but I'm telling you that in this my mentorship, I will show you why this candle became red here. See, let me tell you, experts, most of the pro traders, you know, I know all of them in the industry, most of the big guys, some of them.
This red candle is like a divergence in the past pattern, the past market structure. New high, but
the main thing I'm saying is that how do you know a red candle will form here? Because look at the current sellers area, right?
Yes.
This is a hard number or not?
I didn't hear you.
This is a hard number. Have hard number.
There. Hard number. No, there's no round number here. This is a round number. Look at the round number here. So I'm just telling you that there are secrets in this market that most of the pro traders don't know. Some of the times when you get losses, they will tell you it's just a loss. But I can tell you why this bearish candle formed here. Some of you would have traded a higher option here. But there are insider secrets in this market that you need to know to be profitable. But funny enough, this unfortunately, this session, I just plan to make it brief, just to show you guys that I'm set, I'm real, I'm ready for the mentorship. If you want to really know how to trade this market, especially the exclusive part of this, my mentorship, is that you will learn to trade without emotions. I will open you up to the market. I will give you deep secrets in this market, and you understand the market and you can trade without emotion. Most of the time when you see me trade on my tutorial videos, I know the current market direction. I know where the market is going to. That's why I'm able to follow the trend. Most of the time they will just let you follow the trend, follow the trend. You need to know where the market is going to. And where the market is going to is what they call liquidity. Where the market is going to is what they call liquidity. And liquidity is what drives this market. Market makers are the ones that move this market. In all the higher time frames, there's what they call liquidity, and that's where the market goes to. So in this mentorship course, I'll be able to open you up to those secrets. Okay. I've shown you a simple strategy for beginners that you can use, and I can welcome some questions, but I think this session will be going on soon.
Could you tell more about the mentorship program?
Okay, the mentorship program is basically making you become a profitable trader, because for you to become profitable, it's not about predicting the next candlestick. I know some of you have courses, some of you have videos. Some guys contacted me that after going for some courses, I can't mention their name, but they are not profitable. I'm telling you that it's not about predicting candlestick. Those are speculation. They call them hindsight analysis. But if you trade with foresight, hindsight analysis and foresight analysis in this market are not the same. Most of what they do is speculation. They just see a green candle here, they will look for a level and place a higher option. All those are just beginners. There are things that move this market. So that's basically the things I'll be opening you up to this mentorship. And secondly, emotional trading. When I started, emotional trading haunts me so hard. I took so much time to learn about emotional trading. And today, I can tell you I'm an authority when it comes to dealing with emotions. I will show you deep secrets on how to overcome emotional trading, fear, and greed in this market. Okay, so the exclusive part, I know there are many courses out there, there are many mentors, there are many people that do IQ option tutorials, but the exclusive part of my training is that you can be able to spot the next market direction accurately and dealing with your emotions. So like Warren Buffett to say, if you cannot control your emotions, you cannot control your money. So emotions are very powerful. You need to learn how to control them. So that's basically the most important thing in my mentorship. How to spot the next market direction. If you observe me when I trade on my tutorial, I will tell you where the market will go to, and you see it play out nicely. It's not about this one is a green candle, this is not seller's area, you go with the higher option. No. There are many things that move this market that most professionals don't know. And I've been able to study that in a long time. And I'm just trying to help people. Okay?
And how much time will the duration of the course?
Okay, the duration of the course, I made it 5 days. Okay, 5 days. But because of my jovial and generous life, I just want to help people. I want to help traders. I've suffered this in this market, and I've discovered the secret. I've cracked the code. So I want to help people. After that 5 days, it doesn't end there. You have a lifetime mentorship support with me. I'll be giving you support for 3 months, especially. I have a program for you. Once you finish the mentorship, I will give you a program, an assignment that you go through for 3 months. Once you go through the assignment, nothing can stop you in this market. You will enter the next stage of trading. So after these 5 days, even if we didn't complete our course outline, I will still continue with a Zoom class for you guys. And after the learning period, I will give you great programs that you go through in this market that you know that is more than just predicting candlesticks, that will make you a profitable trader in the long run.
Very good.
Okay. I think
Okay.
so
Kenny,
yes.
can I ask a question on the chat?
Okay. We don't have much time. You can make it snappy.
So okay. After a momentum or a trend, you said we can either have a consolidation or a retracement, right?
Yes.
Now I wanted to know the difference between how can you know that the market is retracing and not consolidating?
Okay. Now look at here. I explained here. This move here is what they call expansion, right? This is expansion because the market moves quickly. You can see strong candles. And after this expansion, it consolidated a little. And now this consolidation made it to retrace. Are you hearing me now? So after this retracement, what happened? It continued going higher. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So it started going higher. So this is another expansion. It expanded higher. Okay? So, but most of them, when they enter the market, they will tell you this is a major trend, this is a minor downtrend. All those are just basics. Those are beginners. That's not the real thing. The real thing is that the market expands, consolidate, retrace, expands again, or consolidates or reverse. So that's how the market moves. Okay, not a major trend is down, a minor trend. All those are just starting level. Okay, you can see here, after this strong expansion, it consolidated a little, expanded again, consolidated a little, retrace. I see from this retracement, it expanded just like that. That's how the market moves. So once you can identify the stage market is right now, maybe you opened your chart and you find out that the chart was around this level, you saw this movement and you started seeing dodgy candles. You can see weekly candles. That should tell you that the market is just consolidating. So after this movement, you can see that price broke this level here. You can place a higher option here. You know that it started expanding. So with this, you can even start making good money in this market.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, we have spent so much time. That was about 30-something minutes now. I hope you got value from this video, from this Zoom section. I will be posting it on YouTube, and you can watch it again, and you can share with your friends. After now, I'll post it on my channel so that everyone can benefit from it. I think that will be all for today. See you on my next video. I wish you good luck and good trading.
Thank you, Kenny.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.